G'day everybody and welcome to another episode of Automotive Carnage. In today's episode we are currently lost in the bush, which is nothing unusual, that always happens, but you'll notice that it's a lot more greener and the trees are a lot taller than we're currently used to. And why is that? Well, we are in Queensland, just north of Ipswich area, and absolutely having a blast. So today's episode is a little bit different, like all the last couple of episodes we've been doing, in that we're not going to be working on any vehicles in particular. We're just going to give you a bit of an update as to why we're in Brisbane and what's going on. So first and foremost, just wanted to say a huge thank you to all the new subscribers and viewers from the UK, Scotland, Ireland, family over in the Isle of Man. We've got a huge explosion of interest from those countries due to the Mark 1 Escort that we just rescued. Everyone responded to that really well. Thank you so much. We already have another rescue in progress, obviously not here, but one is being edited and put together as once I finish this, I suppose. So anyway, there are more rescues coming. Thank you so much to all the viewers in the UK. Now, why are we in Brisbane? Well, I used to live here quite a few years ago and we're currently catching up with family and friends. The wife and our two kids and our dog, who's coming, is currently on a around Australia trip. So last week you will have seen we stopped off in Adelaide to catch up with Graham from XA Coupe Guy. Another great video that you've all responded to really well. So I wanted to put a bit of an open offer out to anyone in Brisbane and say if you've got some awesome cars, some old rusty wrecks, or you know of some little hidden sheds full of old cars, hit us up on the email automotivekarnage@gmail.com, and I'd love to come meet up with you guys, and I would love to come film what you've got in your backyard. Whether it's rusty, whether it's pristine, let us know in the emails or in the comments, and yeah, we'll see if we can come and film. That'll be awesome. And then the other big thing that is happening is a bit of a minor dream of mine is to always go to the Archerfield drift track or drift park. Luckily it wasn't shut down last year. They were very close to being closed, but the automotive community really banded together and put a petition towards the Brisbane Council and said, please don't shut them down. We really need them. And it's an awesome venue. I've never been to it, but I've always wanted to go. And I'll be going tomorrow night and Thursday night. So today being the 10th, I'll be down at Archerfield Drift Park tomorrow, hopefully at the beginners event to go suss it out, see what's going on. And then also again on Thursday, fingers crossed I might have a car to drive, but if not, we'll go down and we'll go have an absolute blast and go watch some drifting and hopefully get a ride and get a vehicle to go drive myself. So that's coming up as well in future episodes of Automotive Carnage. So not too much bush stuff going on in the next couple of weeks, but bear with us, we will get back home. And as I said, we do have a wonderful station wagon that we have rescued. I'm currently editing that video, and then once we figure out what we're going to do with it, we will release the videos, I suppose. But yeah, anyway, thank you all very much for watching, and hopefully we'll catch you at Archerfield Drift Park, or let us know in the comments below if you have an awesome collection of cars that we can come film. See you later.